yeah, with a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready. Because you know what time it is. It's time for one of the most luxurious runners of all time. I'm talking about the Audians. The Sonic Ring boys are back and ready for some serious action. Ready to put those toes to the fire and those feet to the pavement. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy Audians down? Or will the Sonic Ring boys take those luxurious toes, wiggle them some more, and say, devil, it's time to get busy and make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action. Let's get sinister, Audian style. What kind of cop car is it? This must be overseas. Them cop cars look high tech. Oh, they moving. They looking for somebody, and they moving fast trying to find him. Is that him? Yeah, body on earth, foot in hell. Here come my Sonic Ring toes. I hope you're ready.
3, 2, 1, I'm pursuing.
I think that's an S3, y'all.
7 northbound towards Chilton. Speed 70, medium risk. Murph, come through.
Oh, he moving.
I'm gonna hand over the 333 with a double through and then the high performance motor.
Oh, they rolling like that? What kind of car? Hold on, what kind of police car is that?
Directions to the green light. It is not one.
Ooh, look how he handling them turns. Goodness gracious.
Straight on 167 northbound.
The police rolling in Audi wagons? What kind of budget they got?
Run.
We're gonna push northbound and try and get a Stinger at Stinford.
Yes, Stinger, Thinford. Speed is 100. It is medium risk.
He moved. He must have hit sports mode. He put it in sport. It's over. It's over like your crummy relationship. You let her go. Y'all don't need to be together. She been cheating on you for years. All your friends done had her.
Ferry Hill, we are 100.
Oh my goodness.
It's medium risk with a whole medium risk due to speed. Just coming over the 2 bridges. Drop down 167 northbound still.
This is medium risk? Well, what is high risk if this is medium? Look at he pulling away, y'all. He is pulling away.
Pulling away.
What's 130 in Britain language? Probably 130. he doing 136, y'all.
30. It's still medium risk. Fortunately, we're going to go high risk. It's wrong side of the ATS.
Uh-oh, it's high risk.
Wrong side, metal bridge. It has to.
Look how he handling them curves, man. He drifted that. Look at the police car, man. That thing is crazy.
Try and get a Stinger out. We're ahead.
Get the Stinger out. What's the Stinger, y'all? What is the Stinger, Werewolf Pack?
Speeds 100.
What's the Stinger?
Yeah, we're ahead.
Man, he got a box of tools in the back. He got a box of loose tools in the back. Y'all hear him? Look at him, man. He done caught up to the police. Good googity muggity. Oh, he ramming the police. He a beast.
Keep up.
Oh my goodness. He's a monster.
Yeah, he's managed to break through. We've got smoke from the front off side of his wheel. Speed still at 90.
Is that a BMW? They got Audis and BMW police cars over there?
Vehicle stun. Speed's 90, approaching the 177 roundabout.
This is crazy. Is this the new GTA?
It's medium risk due to traffic. The roundabout stand by.
Smoking like a chimney. Woo! He's smoking like your girl's hoo-ha. She letting everybody get some of it. It's on fire. Man, he moving and it took damage and everything.
Wrong side of the King left, but low traffic on the offside.
That S3 a beast.
Speeds 100 as we approach the roundabout. Stand by.
I gotta go look at an Audi and see if I can afford one. On my poor man's budget.
It's back down to medium risk.
That's an older model. I wonder how much one of those running.
The front offside.
I know I can get a deal on one of those.
It's high risk as he wrong sides the roundabout.
Look at him. He's smoking like a chimney, still moving.
We're now in front of him. We're in front of him. We're wave on. And we're getting
He ramming the police. He don't care. Pull over, punk. We just want to talk while we bust your windows out. They not playing over there. Get out the car, punk. Hit him with the taser. Cook him. Chaduki. We got ourselves a Chaduki in a S3 Audi. He put up a valiant fight. Shout out to Chaduki. You put up a valiant fight.
And obviously you've got 3 locked up. Can we get response here fairly sharp?
Man, they got Audis, Volkswagens, and BMW police cars. That's at an S3. Is an S3 fast? That's got to be a top tier with an S, right?
Ford key and Mercedes.
Oh, he had a Ford key and a Mercedes. So he been stealing cars, y'all. And a BMW? Master thief. He done stole all the top of the line cars. We got ourselves a master thief.
Another Audi key. All look like there's house keys attached.
Free Chaduki, man. That car's still moving after the punishment it took. If you're looking to get an S3, this is the commercial for you. It's still moving after all that punishment. Look, it's still moving. Diabolical. Meet me in the comments. I did not know overseas the budget was get whatever's fast. The police is rolling in BMWs, Audis, and Volvos. How you gonna get away from them when they chasing you in them type of cars? And my boy had a top of the line Audi S3. He was moving and grooving. Excellent driver. He drifting around curves. He doing everything he need to do, but he still couldn't lose the boys in blue because they was working with the same type of equipment he was working with, maybe even slightly better. I didn't know y'all got down like that over the sea. I didn't know y'all was doing it over there like that. I'm sorry. I apologize. I thought y'all ate tea, drunk tea, and ate crumpets. I thought y'all was non-violent. I was wrong. Y'all don't play no games. The Audians, he even went supersonic and used one of the rings and went supersonic and still couldn't get away from y'all. Diabolical. Big shout out to the Audians. No reason to hold your head down because you got captured by a BMW and an Audi and a Volvo. Now the Volvo I might put your head down a little bit for that one. But the other two, that's a respectable catch. It was for you to get away from them, you was gonna have to be Dominic Toretto. If you was Toretto, you would have got away, but you wasn't. So you got captured. But with that being said, hopefully you enjoyed this police chase. Shout out to the Audians. Let me say it one more time for the people in the nosebleed section. Shout out to the Audians, the Sonic Ring Boys. You tried. You just failed. But there's no need to hold your head. You will not be getting kicked out of this crew. They will accept you again in the Audience. You are still an Audian. Just get out and do better. Do better. But with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to give the King Werewolf a couple of those hype points in the Avengers Cup. Drop me a couple of those hype points if you can. But if you can't, I'm not mad at you. I still love you because you supported me by watching the video. But with that being said, let me leave you with some positivity. It's rough out there, and I mean it's rough. Rough for me, rough for you, rough for everybody. So there is no excuse for you to be hating on nobody when everybody out here having a hard time and you want to be a hater. Thou shalt not hate. That should be in the Bible. Shouldn't that be in the Bible? Thou shalt not hate. Wait a minute. It is in the Bible. So why you kicking it with haters? Why are you kicking it with people that the Bible said you shouldn't even be doing that? Get away from them. Get away from them because it's rough for everybody. Why is it haters out there when everybody's struggling? Get away from them. Clean up your life. Let's start living right. Let's start doing things the right way. Let's start getting to the money, the paper, the lettuce, the green grass. Let's take it to the top, y'all. Let's get away from the haters and let's make our parents, our friends, our family, and most of all, ourselves proud. And with that being said, I'ma slide on up out of here. We do not condone running from the boys in blue. Absolutely not. I mean, no. If the police get behind you, if you're just breaking the law like a regular guy, pull over. But if you are a bona fide diabolican and you got that in the car with you, you got to do what you do. So if you are going to do what you got to do, can you please, now listen to me, please listen. Can you please get you an S3 Audi and go silly with it?